I'm Miss Price, and this is Ellie. And today we're joined by Judah and Jack, who are going to help us with our next letter, which is the letter, Ellie?
B.
B. All right, we are going to look at our advent calendar and find the letter B. Can you do us the honors, Judah?
I'll say B.
And what's the word?
Baking.
Baking. Baking starts with B, and today we're going to be baking some cookies, but first we're going to go through our letters. Here's the letter
B.
B. B like Bubba.
Baking.
And Bubba.
Backpack.
And Bubba.
Bone.
Good. Great job. All right, so we have big B and what other?
Little B.
Little B. Good job. Here's little B. B says, everybody?
Ba. Ba.
Yes, exactly. Now that Ellie has two flashcards, A and B, I'm going to go and test if she knows what the site is. All right, Ellie, what's this one?
B.
And what's this one?
A.
A. All right, and A says?
A.
And B says?
Ba.
Great. And now we have our little flashcards. And do you know what this one is?
A.
Great. And what about this one?
B.
Okay, we have a new sight word today. And our new sight word is I.
I.
Like I am going to bake today. So we're going to open our book box. And in our book box, we have The Berenstain Bears Meet Santa Bear. Can you find a B in this title, Jack?
Berenstain Bears.
Great. Berenstain Bears. Yep.
And here.
Great job. So we have B in Berenstain, and Bears, and in Bear. All right. What about this one, Ellie? Bear stays up for Christmas. Where's the B? Right there?
There.
Bear. Yep. Bear. Bear stays up for Christmas. We also have Santa Bruce. We love this one so much that we have ripped the cover off of it. So these are some books for B. We are going to today bake some cookies from a book that we will look at tomorrow called Christmas Cookie Day. We have a recipe right on the back of this book, and we are going to make them.
I want to make them with you.
Yes, that is what we are doing, Ellie. The first thing we have is 4 cups of flour. We already have it in this bowl. The second thing that we are going to do is 2 large eggs. Will you pour the eggs in, Jack?
Here?
Yep, 2 large eggs. We've cracked them already and poured them in that bowl for ease of getting them out. The third thing that we need is a cup of butter. Now we'll add the butter to our flour and egg mixture. Thank you, Judah. And Judah, can you also add for me 2 cups of sugar that we've put into this bowl? Whoa.
Oh.
Looks great. All right, and we're also going to add Jack some vanilla. How much vanilla do we need? It says 1 teaspoon.
Ooh.
All right, and pour it in. Great job.
Wait, am I going to do?
And Ellie, you are going to take the baking powder and pour it in. And how much baking powder did I put in there? 2 teaspoons. And we also have the salt. And we have half a teaspoon of salt, and we're going to pour that in there. Great job, Elle. Judah, do you want to do the honors and mix it up?
Oh my God. Whoa! Judah, that's a great job. That one.
All right, now that we've mixed it, we are going to take this dough and chill it for 30 minutes. All right, now that we've chilled the dough, we have rolled it out with our rolling pin, and we are ready to make some shapes. Do you want to go first, Jack?
Yes.
All right, and what are you making, Jack?
Gingerbread man.
Ooh, I like it. Very nice. Do you want to peel around it?
Yeah.
Thank you. All right, there's our gingerbread man. All right, Judah, do you want to go next?
Yes.
Ooh, what are you going to make, Judah?
A snowman.
Ooh.
Wait, SpongeBob Snowman.
Thanks.
SpongeBob Snowman.
All right, Ellie. You got 2. You want to go next?
Yes.
All right, go
Snowman.
ahead.
SquarePants.
Judah might have to help Ellie with this one a little bit.
Push it down. Push it. Ellie, you get ever strong. Now take it out. I'm making a snowflake.
Oh, yeah. Thank you. I forgot to ask you that.
My snowflake is named Elsa.
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 That's a good name for a snowflake,
I
Ellie.
love Elsa, right?
Aw. So you're welcome.
You're welcome.
Okay. We have a snowflake. Now that we have our cookies
We're gonna
on our tray,
We're gonna say bye.
we're gonna bake them.
And make hot chocolate after that. Bye.
Ooh. All right. We'll be back. Our cookies were baked at 350 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes, and they turned out pretty well. What do you guys think? Is this fun?
Yeah.
If you want to make the same cookies we did, you can consult Christmas Cookie Day by Terry Knudsen and Pauline Siewert, or you can look up your own recipe online. Again, it's just a fun way to make a holiday tradition fit into letter learning. And we had a really awesome time doing it. And we're going to eat these and decorate them tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching our video, and we hope to see you again for letter C. Bye!
Bye. Bye.